So you injured your back on the job, and now you're trying to figure out what to do next. Well, let's first figure out, how did you injure your back? Because that's going to be the most important component of whether or not you're going to have a valid workers' compensation. Unfortunately, back injuries are one of the most common workers' compensation injury, but there's different ways to injure your back. Sometimes it's called through what's called a specific injury, where you bent over, you tried to lift something, and you felt the slip in the back. Sometimes you literally slipped and fell, and now you have a slipped disc. Other times it's not as obvious, and it's an injury that's happened over time. That's called a cumulative trauma, or an injury where you have a repeated exposure to an injurious event. That can mean anything from repeatedly bending over, or it can mean something like what a football player does, where they're constantly bashing each other. Sometimes it might mean that you're constantly carrying things. It can mean a litany of things, and there's different mechanisms of injury. So you want to talk to a lawyer and be able to articulate how you hurt yourself so that you can explain it to the QME or the doctor that's going to be determining the value of your case, and also for other doctors so that you have a consistent explanation as to how you hurt yourself. So that's an important component of any back injury case in California workers' comp. If you have any questions, give us a call. 510-257-4141. We do workers' compensation in California.